Legit, I'm over here sparring.
Spitting fucking hairs and shit.
No, the hair's getting right in the corner of my mouth. I'm like, what the fuck is this?
What's going on, guys? FadeitLuie here, bringing you guys a brand new video. We're gonna be doing a mid fade with a comb over, so stay tuned. We're starting off by creating our first guideline, contouring it to his head shape. Once the guideline is near the occipital bone, I usually drop it slightly. Before we move into the fade, we're going to debulk with the 3 guard all the way open. Don't forget to feed the hair into the clipper with your comb. Also, this method is to debulk so we can have a better canvas, so we can blend in a little bit easier. Now that we're done debulking and creating our silhouette, we can move on to our no guard all the way open and create our second guideline. Using the lever all the way closed, midway, and open will help you erase that initial guideline you created with your trimmers. You always want to set in your guideline with the lever all the way open, and then when you start blending, you're closing the lever slowly all the way down. I hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe is greatly appreciated. Also, make sure you watch to the end. Thank you. Now that we're done erasing our initial guideline, we can move on to our 1 guard all the way open and create our third guideline. We're going to use this same guard and use the lever to soften up the line and get it ready for the half guard. Now that we're done softening up the line with the 1 guard, we can move on to the half guard and erase the line completely. Now that we're done with our 1 guard and half guard, we can move on to our 2 guard all the way open and get ready for the 1.5 guard. Don't forget, when you set in your guideline, the lever is all the way open. You also want to soften up that line with the lever midway and all the way closed and move on to your next guard. Moving on to our clipper over comb method, this method is going to help us blend into the bulk because sometimes the lower guards don't blend into the bulk properly, leaving a little bit of a hinge. So I'm using my clipper over comb method, tilting the blade a little bit at an angle and vertically blending with my clipper and horizontally debulking with my clipper. Near the C-cup area, there was a little bit of darkness and flyaway hair, so I went with my clipper over comb and debulked it, as you can see here. You always want to make sure that part of the haircut is very clean and neat, because it's the first thing they see when they look in the mirror. Using our Gold FX, we're gonna line up his C-cup. I usually start off in the bottom and work my way to the top arch. I don't know, I just find it a little bit easier and better to manage that way. Now we're gonna take down the beard with the 3-guard all the way open. After we're done debulking a beard, we can move on to the fade. I'm starting off with my no guard all the way open and slowly closing the lever. I'm using my 1.5 guard all the way open to go with the grain and against the grain just to help me blend into the beard. Now some extra detailing with our clipper over comb method. Moving on to his hairline, we're going to clip up the long hairs just so I don't cut them, and comb down all the baby hairs and debulk them with the 1 guard all the way open. Now that we're done debulking his hairline, we could go ahead with our Gold FX and start off in the middle, working our way to the sides. When lining your client up, you want to be very steady and slow to the touch. You don't want to rush or Before I line my client's beard up, I usually lay them back a little bit. So now that I have him laid back, we're gonna make his beard as crispy as possible. Okay guys, now that we got the right angle, we're gonna go ahead and create our first guideline with our shears on top of the capitus and work our way to the sides, connecting that same guideline. hope you guys are enjoying the video. Please leave a like, comment, and subscribe if you made it this far into the video. We're pretty much finished with the cut. We're moving on to our Turkish razor and Derby Premium blades. We're gonna do his eyebrows, his beard, his mustache, and his lining. We're gonna make it as crispy as possible. Again, thank you guys for watching. I love y'all.